back to my channel. Today we're going to be preparing another one of those quick dinner recipes. This one is for creamy pasta beef shells. It's so delicious. It's guaranteed to please everybody at your dinner table, and it's very quick to make, which makes it the perfect weekday dinner. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so to start this very simple recipe, I'm going to start off by browning some ground beef in my pan in a bit of oil. I'm going to be adding a half a chopped white onion, and you want to fry this up until it's nicely golden brown and all crispy all over. Once the onions have cooked down a bit, go ahead and add 2 cloves of crushed garlic and season this very well with some salt and pepper and Italian seasoning. Make sure to break down the pieces of ground beef into crumbles with your spoon, and once everything is nicely golden brown, I'm going to go ahead and push the mixture to the side and add 2 tablespoons of flour to the pan. This is going to be thickening our cheesy cream sauce. Once it's slightly brown, go ahead and slowly incorporate in 2 cups of beef broth. Don't worry if the flour is coating the ground beef. This will dissolve into the sauce, and also feel free to use a whisk for this as well. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add 15 ounces of tomato sauce. Mix this up well to fully incorporate in all of those flavors and bring this up to a boil. Reduce the heat to a simmer, and then you're going to go ahead and add a bit of cream to the sauce. Then the pasta, this is 8 ounces or a half a pound of boiled pasta shells. Incorporate them into the delicious creamy sauce. And now for the last part. This is 1 1/2 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. Stir this in until it's fully melted, and there you have it guys. With just 7 simple ingredients, you can have the most delectable weekday dinner recipe in a pinch of time. As this sits, the sauce thickens a bit, and nothing is more enjoyable than all of that cheesy tomato mixture, full of cream sauce, coating all of those tender shells, and bits of crispy fried ground beef. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick recipe. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more recipes.